Page 24. Special VFR. All flights shall be conducted in accordance with the rules of the air, as per civil aviation regulations, and either as a VFR, IFR, or a special VFR flight. Unless authorized by ATC on a special VFR clearance, no VFR flight shall take off from, land at, or approach to land at an aerodrome within an ATZ Class C or a CTR when the ground visibility is less than 1,500 meters and or the ceiling is less than 600 feet. A special VFR flight is therefore a flight subject to prior authorization from ATC but not subject to IFR and conducted by day in the airspace as mentioned, within which compliance with IFR has been declared mandatory. Authorization for special VFR flights from ATC will depend on local traffic conditions and other factors such as the extent of the flight proposed and whether air-ground communication with air traffic control can be maintained while the aircraft is in controlled airspace. This type of clearance is complied with at the pilot's discretion, and it is the pilot's responsibility while in flight within the confines of the controlled airspace to remain clear of cloud and within sight of ground. Special VFR flights are intended to provide flexibility to pilots who are unable to comply with IFR. This flexibility, however, has certain exclusions for those aircraft in the training category, such as when requesting to do circuits and landings, for example, and ATC will instruct this traffic to remain on the ground. This process allows a VFR flight cleared by air traffic control to operate within the ATZ Class C or CTR under meteorological conditions below the specifications associated with VMC.